Welcome. So let's look at how we can do a quality check of some of the content that we've recently added to Canvas. So doing a quality check in Canvas, we want to go into the student view. So we go up to the corner on the right-hand side and select student view. And once we select that, that's going to put us into demo mode or student view, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. So let's click on discussions. This is going to take us to our discussion page, and there you can see the week 1 discussion that I pinned to the top of the page. This is automatically going to take the demo student to the group that they're assigned and only able to post to that group. So to post a discussion, they're going to click on reply, and then I'm just going to post some content in here. Let me paste it in and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Post Reply. And there you can see our reply to the discussion topic. Now I'm going to leave the student view so I can go back over and grade this assignment. So now let's post some grades. So we are going to scroll down and we see the test students post, and we're just going to click right there on test student. And then we can go to the right of the screen and click on student grades. So let's click on discussion questions, and we are going to go ahead and enter the grade. So I'm going to give 5 out of 5 and add a comment, and then click Save. And we will go back over to the grade page and verify that the grade was entered and saved. So from the left of the screen, we're going to select grades, and then we're going to select the correct section in the gradebook. So the course is Demo 2, and then we're going to select the correct student, which is test student, and the correct assignment. And then if we scroll down, we can see the grade that we just entered. So we've scrolled down and we've verified everything that we've just done. And that's how you do a quality check in Canvas.